The next law is what we call negative exponent law. So in this law, it states that any exponent that has a negative term or that has a negative sign is not considered yet as simplified. Again, negative exponent is not yet simplified. So we need to get or to change that one into a positive one. How? By reciprocate. When I say reciprocate, balihon. When I say balihon, ani? Fraction. Because we are in a fraction. Again na, reciprocate means balihon. Why balihon? Because we are in the fraction. So sa fraction na ay numerator, na apoy denominator. So if the negative, if it is already if we apply already the other law, such as the product and quotient, and we found out that the result of that is a negative exponent, then we need to apply this one. If makita nato siya sa numerator na negative, himuon nato denominator. In the contrary, if makita nato sa denominator, himuon nato numerator. For example, x raised to the power of negative 4. Okay? Again, x raised to the power of negative 4. So, when we reciprocate that one, nakita may nato sa numerator. Diba? Understood na diyan na ay 1. So, answer niyan, para hindi na yan maging negative, we need to reciprocate. Kini si numerator, himuon nato og denominator. Pag himo nimo ana, nahimo na ni og positive. Wala na may nabilin sa taas, butangan din na nato og 1. So that's the final answer na yun. Okay, that's negative exponent. That's the rule. Now we just need to follow it. Let's say for example let's check this one, no? X raised to the power of 6. So if you observe, no, wala pa yung negative, but diba this is quotient law, this is vertical, diba naka-vertical siya. It looks like this one, no? A vertical. Now pag naka-vertical yan, minus yan, so kokopyahin si x, magiging numerator yan, x, so 4 minus 6. So if you're going to simplify this one, x raised to the power of negative 2. Again, 4 minus 6, x is equal to negative 2 kasi mas malaki si 6 na negative kaysa kay 4 na positive. So you have x raised to the power of 2. Pag ganito na yung sagot natin, from this process, then the result is x raised to the power of negative 2. Hindi pa to simplified according to this rule. We need to convert this one into positive, again, by reciprocating. So final answer nito, kasi numerator yan, gawin nating denominator. Magiging positive na yan. So anong ilalagay sa itaas? Lagyan mo lang ng 1 pag walang ibang letter or variable sa itaas. Okay? So final answer is this one. Dali lang, di ba?